We're here at City Foundry by SLU here in St. Louis. We got Dan and a ThyssenKrupp to ride.
And we got a Jason.
I actually didn't realize this was here.
I've heard this thing is a treat. Now it's got that ThyssenKrupp logo. We got Jason playing with the elevator.
Had like Chesterfield V-stock problems. Just look at the elevator number too.
What's that?
Thrilling stuff.
Yep.
We got a leak out here. That's exciting. Oh, it's from the mini split.
Oh, it's Jacob's favorite.
Oh, are you riding again?
Yeah, right again.
Okay. We'll watch Dan close the door. But yeah, this is a cool place. This was just an abandoned brake parts factory when I was at SLU. And now it's like a food hall, a bunch of different attractions here. Very cool, and it keeps expanding. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it.